In the event that the sun is wiped out, boundaries are the most enticing. The celestial body I recognize is the one that could be unusual in our sky. It is this one, Betelgeuse. It's a massive, supergiant, red star, and if you were to position it where our sun is, it would reach out all the way to Jupiter's orbit. It's so massive and an extremely unstable star that it's on the verge of exploding. It's not as straightforward as these enormous creatures may appear in the universe. Such as the most extreme supernovae, they could alter everything that we see and even things we don't, though we cannot see it clearly. Betelgeuse is considered a representation of a red supergiant star, frequently much larger than ours. Brian Cox, in addition to other astronomers, believes it might explode in a supernova soon. People have grown increasingly concerned about what's going to occur as a result of the James Webb Space Telescope capturing amazing pictures of the star. When exactly will Betelgeuse erupt into a supernova, and how significant will the supernova be? What will the impact on Earth be? Let's investigate a star in the magnificent Orion constellation with such brilliant illumination that even ancient civilizations noticed it. The splendid star Betelgeuse resides on Orion's eastern shoulder, ranking as the second largest star in Orion, from which its name comes. This location marks it as a likely shoulder star in Orion. Betelgeuse is one of the brightest stars in the night sky. In addition to its brilliance, the star emits an unusual red hue, which, as we investigate the potential of signals of danger, has long been studied by humanity. The Greek astronomer Tmy from Betelgeuse observed it a long time ago. The first thing that people noticed about stars was their hue, and it was noted that the star seemed to have a reddish-orange hue, a concerning sign. In recent years, the star has been studied by scientists with even more precision, and they now have a much deeper comprehension of what gives it its striking luminosity. The star is one of these factors. It undergoes substantial variations in brightness, fluctuating by as much as 0.6. Betelgeuse is a variable star, meaning its brightness changes periodically. In 2019, researchers made some brand new observations of the star that had never been observed before. Even though Betelgeuse didn't stop shining completely, its luminosity significantly diminished to a level of approximately 1.6, causing experts to investigate the reason for such an irregularity occurring in one of the brightest stars in the sky. They were hoping to find an explanation as to why Betelgeuse acted the way it did. According to their findings, erratically, Betelgeuse could explode as a supernova at any given moment. Brian Cox, a renowned scientist, revealed this concerning evaluation. As an outstanding professor of particle physics at the University of Manchester and public engagement with science at the Royal Society, his opinion carries weight. He also presents popular science TV shows and shares his perspective in books. The well-known Brian Cox explained that Betelgeuse seems like a ticking time bomb that has the potential to explode quickly. To support this claim, the James Webb Space Telescope has made substantial evidence. Despite the presence of Betelgeuse peculiarities, questions have been raised about why Betelgeuse's bizarre behavior, in terms of its variability, is occurring. With the new data, Betelgeuse has earned its place as a candidate for a supernova. Researchers have no idea when the explosion will happen due to the fact that Betelgeuse's mass is nearly twice that of the Sun. This classification is supported by the Sun. Generally, stars with at least several times the Sun's mass are considered to be candidates for supernovae. The plot thickens, though, because scientists have used different tools to investigate Betelgeuse's location. The James Webb Space Telescope and the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory have been used to investigate the star's mysteries. Their findings are still shrouded in mystery. Betelgeuse was born on August 31 a very long time ago, and since then, the star has been offering strange signals that keep its future uncertain. What did they discover? They observed strange light waves coming from the star that rose even higher, sparking more intrigue. But there was more. The strange occurrence brings us back to the variable nature of Betelgeuse, fluctuating in brightness. There were rumors that Betelgeuse has regular darkening episodes akin to sunspots on our own solar system, but the cycles were different. It shifts between bright and dim phases twice as rapidly as it once did, an odd sign that researchers are observing. In February 2021, Betelgeuse's dimming cycle reached a brightness band of plus 1.61. This was not long after the star had experienced a massive dimming event, marking the beginning of its abnormal behavior and alarming signals that Betelgeuse may be coming to an end soon. Substantial dimming from 2019 to 2020 saw it fall to its lowest point, and many experts are convinced that the star will explode within the next 100,000 years. However, when Betelgeuse once shone more brightly in the wake of this unprecedented dimming, things got even more confusing. Andrea Dree, a Harvard physicist at the Center for Astrophysics at the Smithsonian, noted that the star was now 150% brighter than usual, making it the seventh brightest star in the sky. Researchers were astonished to see a red glow emerging from the region to the south of the sky. The predicament only got worse, and this change sparked numerous theories about the cause of the great dimming of Betelgeuse. It is important to point out that not all stars radiate the same red glow that Betelgeuse leaves. These glimmering marks are typical of a red supergiant star, which is the star's final stage of life. This shade of red is the result of a temperature around the surface of 3,500 Kelvin, significantly cooler than the Sun's outermost layer, which is around 5,500 Kelvin. Since Betelgeuse is much larger and on the brink of exploding, we should also take into account the extraordinary dimming event. Brian Cox questions, does it really mean Betelgeuse will go supernova? The fact that Betelgeuse has already entered its red supergiant phase suggests it is nearing the end of its life as a star. A star in this phase frequently becomes dim as it dies, and this is something scientists can detect. However, Betelgeuse's recent unusual behavior has prompted scientists to be even more focused on monitoring it today. Multiple telescopes are focused on this mysterious dimming event, trying to gather more insights. Things continue to become even more intriguing as a result. Researchers do not yet possess a comprehensive understanding of Betelgeuse's actions. Using cutting-edge instruments, scientists are keeping a close eye on the star. The James Webb Space Telescope is one of the most valuable tools since its launch, assisting astronomers in the collection of new valuable data about Betelgeuse. The star images from the telescope's remarkable dimming event have shown that it caused an enormous mass ejection, more than 400 billion times larger than the typical coronal mass ejection. The James Webb Space Telescope can also observe things that are invisible to the human eye, such as specific wavelengths of light and frequencies, making it an invaluable asset. Researchers have observed dust clouds forming on the star's surface that appear to. As scientists continue to monitor Betelgeuse, new technologies and advancements in astronomy will likely provide even more insight into its behavior and its eventual explosion. The data being gathered by telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope will continue to shape our understanding of massive stars, supernovae, and the life cycles of these cosmic giants. In the coming years, as Betelgeuse's fate unfolds, researchers hope to answer key questions about stellar evolution, the formation of new elements, and the potential effect such an event might have on the surrounding space. The study of stars like Betelgeuse not only helps us understand the processes that shape our universe but also highlights the transient nature of celestial bodies. While the exact timing of Betelgeuse supernova remains uncertain, its inevitable explosion serves as a reminder of the dynamic, constantly changing nature of the cosmos. It underscores the fact that even the most massive and brilliant stars have finite lifespans, and their deaths can lead to spectacular cosmic events that reshape the universe around them. As Betelgeuse's dimming and variations in brightness continue to intrigue scientists, it also sparks curiosity among the public. People are fascinated by the idea of witnessing a supernova, a rare and awe-inspiring event that will likely be observed by millions, if not billions, of people around the world. Despite the vast distance between Earth and Betelgeuse, the explosion will be visible to the naked eye and will provide a unique opportunity for astronomical research. For now, the scientific community remains vigilant, tracking Betelgeuse's every fluctuation, every anomaly, in the hopes of catching a glimpse of the moment when this red supergiant finally reaches the end of its life. Whether it happens in a few years or many centuries from now, the story of Betelgeuse is far from over. Its eventual explosion will not only mark the end of one star but will also provide us with a deeper understanding of the universe's endless cycle of creation and destruction. In the grand scheme of things, Betelgeuse's fate is part of a larger cosmic narrative that spans billions of years. It is a testament to the wonders of the universe and a reminder of the mysteries that still await discovery. With each new breakthrough in the study of stars and supernovae, we come closer to understanding the complex forces that drive the evolution of the cosmos, one star at a time. Every piece of the puzzle uncovered. Perhaps in the years to come, we will witness one of the most extraordinary events in the cosmos, the transformation of Betelgeuse from a massive red supergiant into a breathtaking supernova. Until then, the sky will remain a canvas of wonder, with Betelgeuse shining brightly as a reminder of the fleeting nature of life in the universe. Betelgeuse's transition into a supernova is an event that will capture the attention of astronomers and sky watchers alike. Even though we are unsure when exactly this transformation will occur, the star's current instability has sparked a wave of speculation about its future. The advanced instruments and technologies at our disposal, such as the James Webb and Hubble space telescopes, have provided astronomers with unprecedented insights into the behavior of this remarkable star. As Betelgeuse brightness fluctuates and its erratic changes continue, scientists are meticulously studying the data in the hopes of understanding what triggers these shifts. The star's extreme variability could be a precursor to the violent explosion that will ultimately mark the end of its stellar life. Whether or not Betelgeuse will explode within the next few years or in a much longer time span remains uncertain. One thing is clear: the universe is full of cosmic surprises, and Betelgeuse's eventual demise will be a spectacle that brings new opportunities for discovery. Throughout the centuries, astronomers have observed and studied countless stars, but few have garnered as much attention as Betelgeuse. Its immense size, variable brightness, and unusual color have made it a subject of intense research. As a red supergiant, Betelgeuse is already in the final phase of its life cycle. The star's massive size means that it will eventually exhaust its nuclear fuel, leading to its ultimate collapse and subsequent explosion into a supernova. This explosive event will release an astonishing amount of energy, significantly altering the surrounding cosmic environment. Despite the many uncertainties surrounding the exact timing of Betelgeuse supernova, astronomers are in agreement about one thing: the star's eventual demise will be one of the most significant cosmic events to occur in our lifetime. The data being collected by the most advanced telescopes today is helping to unravel the mysteries of the star, providing crucial information about the processes that occur during the final stages of a star's life. By studying the behavior of Betelgeuse, scientists can gain deeper insights into the broader mechanics of stellar evolution. Moreover, the explosion of Betelgeuse will likely leave behind a lasting impact on the surrounding space, enriching the interstellar medium with heavy elements that will eventually be incorporated into new stars, planets, and potentially even life forms. This cycle of creation and destruction is a fundamental aspect of the life cycle of stars, and Betelgeuse supernova will be a prime example of this cosmic process. As we continue to monitor Betelgeuse and other stars in similar stages of evolution, astronomers are using cutting-edge technology to better understand the forces at play. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its unparalleled ability to observe distant objects in the universe, is providing a wealth of data that will shape our understanding of stellar dynamics. The images and measurements captured by this telescope are helping to shed light on the complex mechanisms that drive a star's evolution, from its birth to its ultimate demise. Although the death of a star may seem like a cataclysmic event, it is, in fact, a crucial step in the ongoing cycle of stellar evolution. The elements released during a supernova contribute to the formation of new stars, planets, and potentially even life. In this sense, the death of Betelgeuse and stars like it is not an end, but rather a transformation that fuels the birth of new celestial bodies. As such, Betelgeuse supernova will play a significant role in the ongoing evolution of the universe, contributing to the creation of the building blocks for future generations of stars and planets. Until the day Betelgeuse finally explodes, astronomers will continue to observe and study its behavior, piecing together the clues that will help them predict its future. The star's unpredictable dimming and brightening cycles, as well as its other unusual behaviors, make it a fascinating subject of study. With every new discovery, scientists are learning more about the processes that govern the life cycle of stars and, by extension, the evolution of the universe itself. The mystery surrounding Betelgeuse's fate serves as a reminder of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. The universe is filled with untold wonders, and the study of stars like Betelgeuse allows us to glimpse the incredible processes that shape the fabric of reality. As we continue to explore the cosmos and deepen our understanding of the forces that govern it, we are reminded of the fragile, transient nature of life itself. The stars, including Betelgeuse, shine brightly in the night sky, offering a glimpse into the extraordinary and ever-changing universe in which we live. As the study of Betelgeuse continues, astronomers are uncovering more details about its complex nature. The star's vast size and unstable behavior offer valuable insights into the life cycle of massive stars. The process of stellar evolution is both awe-inspiring and mysterious, and Betelgeuse provides an exceptional case study due to its proximity and peculiarities. One of the most intriguing aspects of Betelgeuse is the potential for its supernova to not only affect the local cosmic environment, but also to provide an unprecedented opportunity to observe such an event in real time. With modern tools like the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists can now examine the star's surface, its behavior, and surrounding dust clouds, allowing them to refine their models of stellar death. Such observations are essential in understanding the immense forces at play as a star like Betelgeuse transitions from a red supergiant to the explosive phase of its life cycle. The eventual explosion will create a shockwave that will travel through space, influencing nearby regions. This process enriches the interstellar medium, seeding it with essential elements that play a role in the formation of new stars and planetary systems. Ultimately, the death of Betelgeuse will contribute to the ongoing evolution of the universe, underscoring the interconnectedness of cosmic phenomena across vast distances. As astronomers observe the ongoing evolution of Betelgeuse, they are not only gaining insights into this particular star but also enhancing our overall understanding of stellar life cycles. By tracking the final stages of stars like Betelgeuse, scientists can refine their models of stellar death and rebirth, providing valuable knowledge for the future of astrophysics. The eventual supernova of Betelgeuse is not just an event for astronomers but also a reminder to humanity about the scale and complexity of the universe. While we may never witness this grand event in person, the impact of such an occurrence will echo across the universe for millennia. The remnants of Betelgeuse, whether in the form of a black hole or a neutron star, will continue to influence the space around it, contributing to the ongoing cosmic evolution. In the broader context of the universe, Betelgeuse supernova is a fleeting but important event. It represents a transition from one phase of cosmic life to another, as the building blocks of new stars and planets are forged in the fires of stellar death. The birth and death of stars are essential processes that sustain the ever-changing dynamics of the universe. Each supernova, including Betelgeuse's eventual explosion, leaves behind a legacy in the form of heavy elements, spreading the fundamental ingredients of life across space. Through the study of stars like Betelgeuse, we are continuously reminded of the dynamic and cyclical nature of the cosmos. Stars are born, they live out their lifetimes, and eventually, they die in spectacular fashion. Each death gives rise to the possibility of new life, in the form of new stars, planets, and perhaps even life itself. The cycle is eternal, with each generation of stars paving the way for the next. In the end, Betelgeuse's journey from a massive red supergiant to a supernova is more than just a fascinating scientific event. It is a powerful reminder of the transience of all things, the interconnectedness of the universe, and the unending cycle of creation and destruction that defines the cosmos. As we continue to study the stars and their explosive ends, we are continually reminded of the grandeur and mystery of the universe, and our own small place within it.